Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for Clash of Clan tips and tricks. Today, we are diving into one of the most coveted secrets in the game, how to get ultimate gems the smart way. So grab your Barbarian King and let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clan application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Gems are the lifeblood of Clash of Clan, whether it is for speeding up builds, unlocking troops, or getting the extra builder. They make your life easier. But let's face it, they are not easy to come by. Don't worry, because in this video, I am sharing 6 proven ways to get gems without spending real money. Let's go. At first, clearing obstacles. Clear those obstacles in your village. Trees, bushes, rock, and other debris regenerate over time and reward you with gem when cleared. And in second, completing achievements. Tackle your achievements. Completing challenges like operating troops, winning battle, or collecting star can even earn you a hefty reward. Keep an eye on your progress and knock out those achievements. Participating in clan games and seasonal events is another excellent way to earn gem. Work with your clan to complete tasks and don't miss out on those sweet rewards. Stick to the legitimate method we have covered. That's it for today classes. You will be on your way to build the ultimate base without breaking the bank. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.